Welcome to a short tutorial on how to replace the ear pads on your beloved headset. In my case, it's an old SteelSeries Siberia V2. You can see that those ear pads have had their best times. Now let's replace them. The first thing you obviously want and need to do is order replacement ear pads that are compatible with your specific make and model. Simply search Amazon or Newegg for replacement ear pads and add the make and model you have. It will cost you roughly between 10 and 20 bucks and will usually be shipped with a little tool, I wouldn't call it a crowbar, to remove the old ear pads. The company that produced my replacement ear pads had proper reviews on Amazon, so I gave it a shot for 15 bucks. Also included was a little rag that can be used to wipe the plastic muffs clean. I will go into detail further how to really clean it properly. I won't talk as much during this video as the pictures hopefully speak for themselves. On occasion I will give a few hints. Here you can see that the replacement is really necessary. I already did the first one, now for the second one I got the picture a bit clearer to you. I simply remove the ear pad by pinching and pulling on it. Only the netting remains. For the removal of the netting I will use this small little tool. I will just use some leverage while getting under the netting. The glue that has been used originally should not be that strong anymore and the netting should come off easily. In my case I had a few problems with the second one. I had to tear a little more than I really wanted to. Unfortunately, some of the glue remained on the plastic. The little rag that was delivered alongside did not help, so I borrowed some nail polish remover from my wife. Even though it smells disgusting, it does the trick. As an alternative, you can use cleaning solvent, petroleum ether or some very high percentage alcohol. I would suggest not to use any water for that, simply because it does not vaporize, alcohol on the contrary does. So all that's left to do now is remove the sticker on the ear pads and put them into the plastic chassis. So that's essentially it, you're done, your headset is as good as new, at least when it comes to the ear pads. Like this video if it helped you, leave a comment down below with your experiences and subscribe to help the channel. We will see you in the next one.